Buying a home on the Emerald Coast from 1,000 miles away is intimidating. You're looking at the edited photos on Zillow, but you can't smell that house and you can't hear that traffic and you can't feel the vibe of the neighborhood. So today I'm showing you the exact process that I use to act as your eyes, your ears, and your nose on the ground so you can buy with total confidence without ever hopping on a plane. My process starts right here on a map. Most of out-of-state buyers don't realize that being close to the beach on a map might mean a 20-minute walk through private gates that you can't access. I show you the lay of the land first, the traffic patterns, the nearest grocery stores, and the actual distance to the water. We verify the location before we even look at a front door. When we go inside for a virtual tour, I'm not a salesperson, I'm an inspector's best friend. I'm going to be looking for the things that the listing photos hide. I'll be pointing the camera right at the water heater's manufacture date, the ceilings for any signs of leaks, and I'm going to tell you if the house has a pet or a smoke smell. If the neighbor's yard is an absolute mess, I'm going to show you that too. Now, my job is to find the reasons you shouldn't buy the house. Buying in Florida has its own rules, from understanding the flood zones to wind mitigation credits that save you thousands on insurance. I handle the local logistics. If you're looking for an investment, we're going to dive into the specific county or city codes for short-term rentals so you don't buy a property you aren't even allowed to rent out. When we find the one, we move fast. We use digital signing for everything, and I work with local lenders who actually answer their phones on the weekends to ensure that your offer is the strongest one on the table. Now, once we're under contract, we bring in the pros. I don't believe in hovering over the inspector. I want them to be 100% focused on finding the details that matter. Instead, as soon as that report hits my desk, I am on the phone with the inspector, and I ask the hard questions for you. Is this a real safety concern for my buyer? How much is this going to cost to fix? And can you send me a photo of exactly how this repair should look? I take that technical data and turn it into a negotiation strategy to make sure you are protected. If you're ready to start your search, I would love to help. Just go ahead and click the website link in the description below to reach out to me directly via email or text. No DMs, please. I want to make sure I don't miss your message. And let's find your place on the Emerald Coast.